Hello.
Hi.
My mom came with recipes. If you don't know, this is my mom. So, right now, we're making this recipe she saw on Instagram, where you take these, you put it in a muffin tin, you bake it, and then you create like a little
dent in it.
And then you take pre-made cheesecake filling, and you put it in there, and then you put some fruit on the top, and that's it. So, we're gonna attempt to make it. The only thing is, she sent me the recipe with, it made 24 little muffins.
Because they use the mini ones.
And there's conveniently 24 cookies in this thing, but I only have the 12. So we're gonna double the cookies per thing. We're gonna make big ones. So, she's really talking.
It's raining outside.
It is, we're in the hurricane. I mean, the remnants, because we live in the Midwest.
It's done.
Hurricane is it Beryl?
Yeah.
Hurricane Beryl.
Yeah.
Beryl. Whatever. Alright, bye. Okay, so normally if you have the little mini ones, you would just put one per muffin, but we're gonna try 2. And then
may not work.
We're this could be a fail. I don't know. It might work. And then
It'll be good.
How long do you bake it? What does the bag say?
It says 13 to 17 minutes.
We'll probably do like bake it up for 15 minutes.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
It'll be good though if it doesn't.
Well, it just won't look pretty.
No.
I mean, it looks like it'll probably work.
Yep.
It just may not be round.
Well, we need it round to put the filling in, don't we?
Well, we'll figure it out. Calvin is right here.
Okay.
My fingies are sticking. Don't want to see Calvin? He thinks he's getting some.
There's nothing in here, buddy.
Calvin, move. Woo! Alright, we're going to bake it according to the package directions. We'll do 15 minutes. Ah, darn. Please hold.
Shut that off.
I preheated that cookie sheet.
They look good.
Alright, now while they're hot, let me... Wait, where? Yeah, you can go over there and do it.
No, I'll just do it from right here.
Over here.
I don't want to go over there.
You guys want to listen to what it sounds like when we talk?
You think it's...
Basically...
very good. You think we should use the spoon?
I have something else. Hold on. We're trying to make it into a more hollow shape.
Should we have like a melon baller?
Yeah, that's what... I just had it in here. That should work, right?
Yes. You think that's good enough?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
They're doing it almost on their own.
Yeah. So it does work if you have like the larger
Yeah.
ones. You just put 2 in there. Hopefully they come out.
I think they will.
And then we might set this in the fridge for like an hour to cool off before we put the...
Yeah, because it's set in the
filling.
freezer and you don't
I
have
don't
room
have
in-
room in my freezer, so...
Who does? Except for me. I mean, we have a big freezer at home that you could put them in.
Okay, so we pulled 3 out because that's all we're gonna do right now. This is the filling that we use that my mom can only find at her Walmart. So we're gonna take a scoop of it or something and fill it. You think that's good?
Yes, perfect.
Now my mom's cutting up strawberries and blueberry. Well, she's not cutting the blueberries, but we have blueberries. All right.
Put it on this plate and then we'll put the... Decorate them up, sort of. I don't know, should I have... Nope!
Oh, they look nice.
They do. Then
I like
we can
that you
have a little... look at it! It looks like a little face!
Oh my god. Maybe put another strawberry.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna try it for you. Don't worry. I mean, what's not like to like?
Try it. Okay, cheers.
Mm-hmm. It literally just tastes like a sugar cookie with
Tobacco? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's really easy.
Good. Good, good, good.
Mm-hmm.
Especially if you have, like, party or something.
Yep. This would be a good, easy party dessert. And you can do 2 pieces of cookie dough in 1 big muffin. You don't need to make the mini ones.
Yep.
We're gonna make another video because my mom brought stuff for 2 recipes. So we're gonna go make another.
Wait until it stops raining.
Yeah, we have to go to Target. But then we're gonna make another video. So, we'll see you guys later. Bye!